I have a regular film camera, but I just don't use it much, said Miss Lowry, 23, a computer programmer. When I got married last year, I had all these pictures that didn't come out right. With digital cameras, you aren't spending money on film for wasted pictures, she said, and there are plenty of models from which to choose, from simple $200 point-and-shoot snappers to $1,000 wonders with all the features that any advanced amateur could want. The wide selection is a sure sign that in many consumers' minds, digital cameras have risen from mere gadgets to must-have items. Digital cameras offer more than just the instant previewing of pictures on small color screens. They can store dozens, sometimes hundreds of images that can be printed easily at home or sent by email. Although there are extra costs involved in going digital, the cost of memory cards for storage and the special paper for printing, many buyers have been willing to make the switch. Although about 90% of American households still use film cameras, digital cameras are capturing a growing share of the consumer market, and the number of digital camera households, now at about 10%, is certain to grow. As manufacturers introduce more and more cameras whose quality is as good as film cameras, soon even professionals will use them. Salesmen expect digital cameras to be popular gifts this holiday season. They are very hot this year, said Yossi Fagiel at B&H Photo in New York. The prices have come down and the quality has gone up. Who wants to travel with 30 rolls of film? With a large memory card to store pictures, you can shoot and never have to worry about changing a roll. How many times have you missed a picture because you failed to reload the film?